this video. Today we are going to discuss topological space. Topology is the study of properties of space that are preserved under continuous transformations. The concept of a topological space is a fundamental concept in topology, which we will explore in detail in this video. Let's start with the definition of a topological space. A topological space is a set X together with a collection of subsets of X called the topology, which satisfies the following axioms. The empty set and X itself are in the topology. The intersection of any finite number of sets in the topology is also in the topology. The union of any collection of sets in the topology is also in the topology. The subsets of X that are in the topology are called open sets. A set that is not in the topology is called a closed set. Now that we have a better understanding of what a topological space is, let's look at some examples. One of the simplest examples of a topological space is the discrete space. In the discrete space, every subset of X is an open set. Another example is the trivial topology, where the only open sets are the empty set and X itself. Another important example of a topological space is the real line with the standard topology. In this topology, the open sets are the intervals of B of real numbers. Another example is the Euclidean space, where the open sets are the balls centered at a point. In conclusion, we have explored the concept of a topological space, which is a fundamental concept in topology. We have seen that a topological space is a set together with a collection of subsets that satisfy certain axioms. We have also seen some examples of topological spaces. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And if you have any comments, suggestions, or questions, please let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you want to see more videos like this, check out our playlists. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.